Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the Chrome browser to its original default on computer. So launch the Chrome app. Once you're launched, in the address bar, you can type for chrome:/settings, which will open this settings screen. In here, you can see at the left panel, you would be able to see this reset settings. Just select that and choose restore settings to their original default, and once you have done it, you can just choose to reset settings. So once you have reset, it will delete all the changes that you have made. So apart from that, what you can do is you can also go to the privacy and security and open this clear browsing data and choose all other options under the advanced section to remove from your browser and hit on clear data. So this will entirely reset the settings as well as clear all the data that has been stored, which will completely wipe out your Chrome browser, which will make it as a fresh download. So in this way, you can reset the Chrome browser on your computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.